Hello friends, today we are talking about fear, how to handle fear. Whenever in our life we are trying to do a new thing, a little bit challenging thing, a thing that we have not even tried in our life before, and not even our friends or family have tried before, and we want to start that, and we'll have fear because there is no experience, and we think that sometimes we may lose what we have when we are trying out something new. That's when we get the fear. Someone said fear is an acronym of false evidence appearing real. Yes, it is actually a false evidence. Most of the time in our own life we can derive inferences from our past. There may be situations when we had to do something, like writing an exam, a public exam for example, or attending an important interview in a bigger company. We had to do that, and we did that, and post doing that, after we completed and we were successful, and we look back and we say, why was I so fearful for this? It's just nothing, right? These kind of experiences all of us would have got in our lives. We just need to go back and look at ourselves, what happened there. Actually, it was a false evidence. This could have gone wrong, this could go wrong, but nothing had happened. You came out of it. You go back to your success in the past, and derive that confidence, get that courage, and apply it whenever you are trying something very big, like starting a new business or trying out a new job, picking up a new skill. It could be anything, because when you have fear, you will tend to do two things. One, you will either procrastinate, I'll do it later, or you will completely knock it off. You say, I'll not do this. This is a deal breaker when you want to grow and have big life, big success in your life. If you have fear of doing new things or trying new things, it will stop you completely. So whenever next time you wanted to start something big and this feeling of fear comes to you, just go back to your own past life, pick up examples from your own life where you had fear and you had gone through it, and then you thought that it was only a false evidence. Take that learnings and apply it here, and you will be able to go ahead and do it, get over with it. Fear, you can use it for your own advantage as well. You can actually be a little more prepared, cautious when you try new things, right? Using the fear actually makes you to do that, right? Be cautious. But instead of stopping or procrastinating, let us move, let us move with a caution, let us move with learning, let us move with preparation. You can use fear, proactively for these things and still go ahead and achieve your success. Thank you.